Hey, I'm Jeep Mama and I'm in my studio. So I'm working on some videos that I shot this past weekend at the Cove Campground during a big dog off-road event called the Spring Fling. And I was on so many fun trails, and that's what I'm working on editing right now. And like I promised you, I was going to tell you about my giveaway, my 5K giveaway. Once I reach 5,000 subscribers on YouTube, I will be giving away some great items, some great off-road items. One of the first items will be these winching gloves, thanks to Quadratec and Worn. They're Worn winching gloves. They're awesome gloves. I have a pair of my own, so I will be giving away the Worn winching gloves. The other item is from High Lift Jack. The folks at High Lift Jack are awesome. I did a High Lift Jack safety video, how-to video recently. Go check it out. The link's in my description below. And soon I'm going to be doing a High Lift Jack accessories video, my top 5 accessories you should have. And this is one of them, especially if you keep your High Lift Jack on the outside of your vehicle. It's called a handle keeper, and it keeps the handle to the jack. So this is another one. Right now I have 3 giveaways. I'm hoping between now and when I reach 5K, I'll have some more items. But the third item are these lights from Lux. They're Monster RGB Fender well lights. These lights are fabulous. They are so awesome, and they're magnetic lights, and they come in pairs of 2. So this will be for one side fenders, and this will be the other. And they're so easy to install. I have an install video of the rock rail lights that I installed. These LEDs are magnetic, and the magnets stick so well, and they're movable. And so this will be my third item I will be giving away. Go tell your friends to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and right next to the button when you subscribe is a little bell. When you click on that bell, that's going to send you notifications of all my videos that I post. And then you will know once I reach 5,000 subscribers, because you'll get a notification about my 5K giveaway. That's when I'll be sharing with you the rules on how to get these 3, plus I hope more, giveaways when I reach 5,000 subscribers. So go subscribe, share this video with your friends and all your folks on social media, and tell them to subscribe. So soon we will be giving away the Lux lighting system Fender lights, the High Lift Jack handle keeper, and these fabulous winching gloves from Worn, thanks to Quadratec. Thanks High Lift, thanks Lux Lighting, Worn, and Quadratec for these great giveaways when I reach 5K. Hit that subscribe button and share me with your friends.